Hello everyone. I thought I would try a different way of doing a post for my wonderful, fantastic, vintage caviar Chanel WOC with silver hardware. This just came fresh from the spa from Purse Rehab, and it is the classic diamond quilting and caviar leather with silver hardware, and it has the pocket on the back. See the pocket on the back? The hardware is just so, like, especially for the age of this bag, like, the hardware is so, it's still so crazy shiny. Like, this bag is in such fantastic condition for what it is. So I'm going to show you, or try to show you anyway, if I can undo this mess, of how fantastic and shiny the hardware is. Like, look at the gleam here. It's crazy. And then, as you can see, the CC is perfect, and you can see all of the little caviars and the caviar leather, and all the stitching lines up perfectly how it's supposed to. This particular bag is kind of limber, I guess you could say. The new ones are pretty stiff. You can see on the sides, move the chain, move it. You can see how much room you have in there. Like, the wallet on a chain is considered an SLG, but in my opinion, it's a bag because you really can fit a lot of stuff in here. So this is the inside, and like, look at all that space. Like, that's my whole hand fits in there easily, and it has 6 card slots, and then it has the Cocoa love letter pouch in there, and it has the little pull tab zipper, and you can see the Chanel, and then the button, the Chanel with the situation, and then let me make sure you can see, here's the little tube that the chain goes in, and it moves gorgeously. And then it has another pouch here. Oh, I have this stupid thing moving around making noise. There's another pouch there, and then it has a zipper pouch with the zipper pull, and then it has this other one here. So there are tons and tons of places that you can put things in this bag. And the chain length on a WOC is so crazy delicious. Like, look at this. It's huge. It goes forever. So I'm listing this for $1,100 USD plus the cost of shipping to wherever it is that you are. I don't care if you're in the United States, I don't care if you're out of the United States, whatever. The reason why I wanted to make it at cost shipping to whoever, because I don't think it's fair to charge, in my opinion, especially for a bag like this, like, I don't think it's fair to charge some big giant piece of money when you might be down the street. And if you live in Los Angeles or Orange County or Riverside or Santa Barbara or something, like, maybe we could meet and I can give it to you. Or I can ship it to you wherever you want in the world for at cost. So this is it. This is the black caviar Chanel WOC, ready to come to you with bag, dust bag. If you want a camellia or a ribbon, or, you know, however you want it, you can have it. I'll even put this little thing in with it. I'll give you a different one that doesn't have my name on it. So that's it. That is my Chanel WOC that is for sale. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later, kids.